Hi, this is Lars with MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and we're standing on our 2019 Sea Ray 290 SDX Outboard. Right now I'm standing in between our two 250 V8 Mercury Verados, as well as I'm standing on our swim platform back here. A lot of room to hang out off the back of this boat, especially with the manual submersible swim platform back there. It's nice. You can be either sitting in the water enjoying the day, or you can make it a little easier to get back on the boat in conjunction with our reboarding ladder back there as well. You also have a nice sun pad. It's got a nice little flip up feature here too, give you a little more leg support, as well as under the port seat there's actually a very large storage compartment right here for any sort of water toys, tubes, wakeboards, anything like that. And then I'll take you up into the cockpit on this boat in a second. All right, right now I'm in the Transom walkthrough. Back here, very nice feature is we have a fusion remote for our stereo system. This means when you're out hanging out at the sandbar or an island or anything like that, you don't have to worry about getting all the way up in the boat to adjust your stereo. You also have a 12 volt back here. You can charge anything, plug any sort of 12 volts in there. You've got a transom door and then a cooler also built into the transom. Walking up, we also have freshwater shower, wash down, and a nice feature is reboarding ladder. So this makes it easier getting on and off the dock. Also walking here into our cockpit, we have a nice little galley area. This has a little area to put like drinks, limes, whatever you want. Cut some stuff up. We have a little sink as well as a refrigerator. All this makes it nice for entertaining guests. Now in here in the cockpit, as you can see, we have a ton of space for family and friends. This boat is yacht certified, so you can have a ton of people on it. Pretty much under most of the seats you'll find some storage, whether it be dry storage on both sides here, as well as some storage on the floor. And we'll take you up to the helm stations. Alright, now up here at the helm station on this 290 SDX, we featured a nice sim-wide display, which will also do all your Mercury vessel view systems, chart plotters, see all your engine data. Very nice system, as well as a fusion stereo up here, all your typical switches to run the systems on the boat, all digital shift. And then one really nice feature we bring on these 290s is our Mercury joystick. It also has skyhook feature, which while you're waiting for fuel or anything like that, you can put it in skyhook and it'll actually hold you right in place, so you don't have to worry about the wind and currents and stuff like that. Also up here, we have thigh rise bolsters, and also convertible seating, both helm chair and on the port side, convertible as well. So this way when you're hanging out, you can face back, enjoy the party. On the port side, we also have our locking glove box. Nice little feature for when you're hanging out. If you pull up to a restaurant or anything like that, you can lock some phones in there, you don't have to worry about anything. As well, here on the port side, you have actually very spacious head compartment with a sink. And I'll take you guys up to the bow. So up here in the bow, we have a lot of space. You can fit a couple people up here comfortably. I'm over 6 foot tall, and I got a ton of room. As well as up here, we got our flip down armrests, nice feature, and our stainless steel grab rail for safety. Under these seats, we have molded in coolers or dry storage, whatever you want to use it for. We also have in-floor storage and a table mount. And right up in the bow, we have our windlass anchor system, which is a must-have on these boats. Again, this was Lars Pearson with MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey. If you're interested in this boat or any other boat here we have in our inventory, give us a call at 609-494-2102, and we're happy to show you some boats.